It's been a tough winter for construction companies. Here at Birch Coppice, a former greenfield site, some 30 kilometres east of Birmingham in the UK, the sodden ground needs lime treatment before the big machines can really get to work.
It's the actual moistures in the soils, getting the testing right, keeping the team going. You can't cut the team down too small because when you have got a good week, you lose valuable time. So we try and keep the team together and keep them working.
Dave Collins bought his first 20-ton excavator from Volvo Construction Equipment in 2004. Since then, his Volvo machine fleet has grown as his company has expanded. Volvo Construction Equipment executives marked the rapid growth of his Volvo fleet with a scale model crawler excavator in a bottle, complete with 2 miniature operators.
This last year, 2015, we saw Dave pass the 50-unit mark, and indeed he's well into the 60s and onwards now. So last year was a very busy year for Dave and a very busy year for us on the back of that, and we're very grateful for the business that we received. So it has been very good for both parties.
That idea of a partnership between Volvo and Collins Earthworks is one that Dave Collins enthusiastically endorses.
We like the people we're dealing with, we like the product, the drivers like the product, resale value, purchase price, everything works. It's a nice, easy, one-stop shop for excavators, so we've always stuck with it.
Based in Nottingham, Collins Earthworks is involved in construction projects across the country. At this site, the company is building 2 massive commercial distribution centres, with an access road for buses to carry the future workforce. 2 excavators, an EC220D and an EC300E, are breaking up rock which will end up as hardcore, mixed with the clay to help stabilise the ground for building. Nearby, an EC480E and an EC700C are loading articulated haulers which will transport the fill to other areas to form the footprint of one of the buildings. It's 50 years since Volvo Construction Equipment produced its first articulated hauler. These mighty machines are a huge advance. Today they're faster, more efficient, quieter, and far more comfortable than ever before for the operators. After all, the machine cab may be their workspace for up to 8 hours a day.
We have the leading cab on the market. It is quieter, it's more comfortable, it's a friendly place to be, great visibility, a very safe place to be, and that's perhaps our strength in the product itself, in that it gets the operator's vote.
You only need a radio, you need a comfy seat, you need a heater in winter and air conditioning in the summer, and they've pretty much, I think, got it really.
Operator safety is not the only improvement. As emissions legislation gets tougher, Volvo Construction Equipment is constantly striving to make its vehicles more environmentally efficient and cleaner.
Our biggest challenge going forward is producing machines that meet legislation, and we see the next round of legislation coming in approximately 2020 when we move to Tier 5 engines. So going forward from there, future technology is unknown. There's all talks of hybrids and hydrogen cells and everything else, so the future's a little bit unknown, but Volvo are very much known for being at the forefront of technology, and part of our core values are environmental care, so anything that comes along technology-wise that is driven towards emissions is very much a must for us, and we're normally very proud to be the first people to release that into the market.
With a reputation for completing jobs on time and to a high standard, Collins Earthworks is looking forward to a bright future. With a multi-million-pound turnover, the company employs around 200 staff ready to take their skills wherever the work is. And wherever they go, their fleet of Volvo machines goes with them.